Wellness Wednesday, sponsored by Baptist Health.
Welcome back. Getting kids ready for school means resetting sleep schedules, packing healthy lunches, and easing first day nerves. Baptist Health's Dr. Sarah Beth Holcomb joins us with her checklist for a healthy start. Dr. Sarah, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so let's start with sleep. We know the kids have been staying up late all summer.
Yep.
How do parents start to shift bedtimes into their normal routine?
So don't start overnight or the day before. I recommend starting to shift by 15-minute increments every 2 days or so. That way they're not so shocked. And then please remember that screens need to be off. Blue light tricks the brain into thinking it's still daytime, and it's really the biggest thief of our kids' sleep.
I might need to use that myself.
Yes.
Turn off that light. Well, we know that nerves are normal, but how can a parent tell the difference between typical first day butterflies and real back-to-school anxiety?
Okay, so, first day jitters are always normal. I want parents to look for physiologic signs. I want daily check-ins. I always ask for daily check-ins with the parents so they know kind of where things are going. If your child starts saying they're having headaches or stomach aches, or they don't settle in with their sleep within the first couple of days of school, it's probably time to loop in the doc.
I used to say I had a headache or a stomach ache just to get out of going to school, but it didn't work.
Yeah.
My mom, she knew better. Okay, so when packing school lunches, what advice would you give to parents?
So I'd say skip the sugar crashes, no fruit roll-ups in the lunches, because they'll crash in the afternoon. Think about proteins, think about good fats, and think about complex carbohydrates that stick around longer throughout the day so they're not hungry in the afternoon. Those are the best things that we could do. Skip the chips, do sweet potatoes, and just try to keep it clean. And then remember, your perishables, like your lunch meats or anything with mayonnaise, that's 2 hours, guys. Foodborne illnesses are not fun. So make sure you put in the ice pack.
Well, we know that back-to-school bug will be going around.
Oh, yeah.
How can parents protect their kids? Can they protect their kids?
This happens every year. It's normal. We're all coming together. We've all been on vacation and running around and doing fun things and back together. The best thing that you can do for your kids is teach hand hygiene. That's 20 seconds of washing. That's the birthday song twice. And, make sure that their immune systems are primed already by sleeping and eating healthy.
If parents only remember one thing that we've talked about to help them get ready for back-to-school season, what should it be?
Consistency. We thrive as humans on routine, especially children. They feel safe and ready to learn when they know what to expect. So figuring out that routine, checking in, having consistent bedtimes, breakfast, stay calm on the drive to school, and that will do wonders.
All right. Dr. Holcomb, thank you so much for your time. If you want to get in touch with Baptist, just go to their website or give them a call. That information is right there on the screen.